In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete browsing history on YouTube. Even though YouTube calls it watch history, clearing it will remove the list of videos you have viewed and change what YouTube suggests to you. First, go to YouTube. Open your browser, and in the address bar you should see the web address for YouTube once it loads. On the home page you will see a search bar across the top and a set of video thumbnails arranged in rows. If you use the mobile app instead of a browser, the layout looks different, but the same steps still apply. Now sign in to your account. Look to the top right corner for the sign in button if you are not already logged in. When you click it, you will be asked for your Google account details. After you sign in successfully, the top right corner will show your profile picture or a colored circle with your initial. A small beginner tip here: if you use more than one Google account, double-check that the profile picture matches the account whose history you want to clear. With that ready, click History. On a computer, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You will see items like Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, and further down, History. Click History, and the main part of the page changes to a list of videos you previously watched in order from newest to oldest. Each video in this list shows its title, thumbnail, and the time you watched it. If the list is empty already, YouTube has no watch history stored for this account. Next up, click Clear All Watch History. On the right side of the History page, you will see a box with controls related to history. In that box, look for the option named Clear All Watch History and click it. As soon as you do, YouTube opens a small confirmation window on top of the page. This action applies to your whole account on all devices that are signed in, not just the one you are using now. After that, confirm the deletion. In the confirmation window, YouTube explains that clearing your watch history removes all the videos listed and also resets many of your recommendations. Click the button to confirm. You will not need to refresh the page; the change happens right away. The history page now updates, and the list of watched videos disappears or shows only a brief message that there is no watch history for this account. You have now cleared your YouTube watch history for this account, which also refreshes the recommendations YouTube shows you. If this helped you clean up your viewing record, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick privacy tips.